Alright, so here I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Arena AI to access free AI tools. Alright, you're going to be accessing free paid AI tools with Arena AI. So what I want you to do is to go to your browser and type arena.ai. So that's the URL I'm going to be using, and it's going to bring you here. As you can see, we have battle mode. I'm going to explain that shortly. So let me just take you through of what we can do with Arena AI. It can use to be create landing pages, you can build websites, you can build apps, and it can create game. It can also be used to create images, and you can also use it to create videos. So you can see that these are the few features of Arena AI. Now, Arena AI is just a tool that give you that is just a platform that give you access to multiple paid AI tools. So you can see, so we have different we have side by side and we have direct chat. So let me go ahead and click on direct. Direct means that we are going to be using just one AI tool. Right? As you can see, we have, like I said, it has multiple AI tools. You can see ChatGPT 5.7.3.7.3.5. So we have Gemini 3.5. So over here, there you can see they have different type of cloud. Now these are the pro version. Okay, just so you know, these are the pro version of all these. So if you are using this ChatGPT 5, I've tried it before. So if you give it a prompt, you will notice the difference. All right, the way it's going to write out the prompt, you will know that this is a premium version of ChatGPT. So you can just run, let me just run through it and show you. If we have DeepSeek and we have Kimi, so you can see we have DeepSeek, we have Kimi, so we have a lot of um, AI tools. So I have AI tools around here. Okay, so we have this linking. So I think that is new. All right, so it's very. So I already have my prompts. Like I said, I'm using ChatGPT 5 to write this prompt. So I'm going to give it my prompt. I say, as a professional graphic designer, give me a script for a a Telegram poster design. So that's supposed to be Instagram, but all the same. Now, the poster design is going to be of a shoe brand that deals with quality shoes. So this is the in case you need the prompt, you can just click on the link on the comment section below, which is the pinned comment section, or my description below, to join my Telegram channel. That's where I drop everything. All right, so you can gain access to it. You don't need to bother yourself about the prompt. Everything is there. So just join my Telegram channel. You have access to the prompt. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and submit it. Now you will see the way it's going to write out the prompt for me. Okay, because I'm using ChatGPT 5. And mind you, this is the pro version of it. Now you can see the way he was able to write everything detailed out. If you carry the same prompt and take it to your normal ChatGPT that you are using, which is a free version, you are going to see the way it's going to write the things out. You are going to see the difference. So let me just quickly go through it. I'm going to make sure that the prompt is correct. What I gave to it is correct, because I really don't have time I don't want to waste time to be going through it, because if the prompt that you give to it is not correct, the output is going to have issues, so which is going to affect what you are going to do at the end of the day. So because I'm going to be using this prompt to test different AI tools that Arena AI has to offer. So this particular prompt is what we are going to use to generate our image. So we're going to use it for all the tools that Arena AI, like let's say, like we're going to test about 3 to 4 tools that we have in Arena AI and see what they can do. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. So just make sure you copy everything. So right click to copy that. Then I'm going to go to new chat. Like I said, Arena AI has all the AI tools. So I've gone to direct. I'm already on direct. I'll go to side by side. Side by side means that I can compare 2 different AI tools together. As you can see, the first one is ChatGPT 5. So I'm going to go ahead and just change it. All right, I'll change it to something else. Then this is Gemini 3.5. I can actually change it to something else as well. So here I want to generate image. I have to let it know that it's image I want to generate. All right, I think I have to redo that. It just went back to normal, so I have to change these AI tools. So what this means is that we are going to be comparing these two AI tools. All right, so it's going to give us two different design. One is going to be for the first one, which is A, and the other one will be for B. All right. As you can see, the Gwen image 2.0 and Seedance. All right. To the left is Gwen image. The second one is Seed Dream 5.0. You can see both of them just created different the same prompt that I gave to it. You can see that what they created is different. All right. This is the first one, which is Gwen. All right, you can see the way position everything. Then this is the other one, this Edge Media. Right, that's Seed Dreams. Okay, so you can go ahead and just download it. I can go ahead and download it. All right, so like I said, we're going to be testing different AI tools. So this is just the first one we are testing now. We're also going to use the same prompt. Okay, let me download this other image first. So we're also going to use the same prompts. This time around, we're just going to change the AI tools that we're going to be using. I'll just look for a different AI tools to test. All right, there are some AI tools here that we have not seen before, but you can actually check them out by using them to design to know what they are capable of. So I'm just going to go ahead and change this other one to something that we're already familiar with. I use Grok. All right, I will using Grok and Flux 2 Pro. So I'm copying Grok and Flux 2 Pro. I'm going to paste the same prompt here. All right, so you can see I already said that I prefer both. So you can actually vote. Right, I already voted that I prefer both. Right, so Flux 2.0, and here I think I use Grok here. Okay, Grok imaging. Alright, you can see the Flux 2.0 is currently generating, and the Grok imaging. Alright, see the first one, the one on the left is this is the Flux 2.0. We can see what is designed. Mind you, the same prompt you are using, okay, the same prompt and the same Arena AI, different AI tools, and these are the pro version of all these AI tools you are seeing. All right, you can see here, engineered for quality. Okay, same prompt, but they are giving us different outputs because they are different AI tools. Let me go ahead and save that. So in case you'll be looking for, I'll just go ahead and vote it. All right. So I'm just looking for another AI tools that we use to cover up for this. I think I'm using Gemini 2.5 and Wen 2.6. All right, I'll be using this imaging. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt here and submit. So as you can see, this is currently having issues. I can see we have it's showing error response. We're just going to work with the left hand side that was generated. Go ahead and download it. So let me preview so you can see the quality of what was designed. Right, engineered for quality. Now you can see that all of them are giving different designs, and they are all quality design because all these AI tools, these are their pro version of it. Okay, so in case you're looking for how to use multiple AI tools without having to pay for it, or you don't have money to purchase expensive AI tools, you need to just focus on Arena AI. Now we're going to go ahead and just test use Arena AI to create a video. All right, I'm going to my direct, and this time around we're going to just go ahead and use it to generate our video. So go to Leaderboard. When you click on Leaderboard, it's going to take you to your dashboard where you have access to we have your agent, we have your charts and code. So we're going to focus on video because that's what I want to create. So we have different types. We have video editing, we have image to video, we have text to video. So for quick editing, we're going to go ahead and use text to video. That means I'm just going to give it a prompt to generate video directly. So I'm not going to be So these are the free video generation platform that we have on Arena AI. You can see the list of them. These are all what we have in Arena AI. All right, so let me just go through them. All right, so I'll come here and click on video this time around to be very sure. As you can see, not there are some AI tools that doesn't have. I said create a video of an ancient movie trailer. You're going to see what it's going to create for us. So that's just the prompt. And then, like I said before, you don't need to bother yourself about the prompt. When you join my Telegram channel, you have access to the free prompts that I'm using. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and submit it. Now, this time around, the video generation platform is going to show you side by side, right? You don't choose which video generation platform you want to use. You just go ahead and submit. And when it's done generating, from there, when you pick the best, you can see it's only one that generated. The other one has error. I think it's network issue. Okay, when you accept it, then it will now show you which AI tool was used to design it.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.